like a highlighter, or more accurately, a pack of highlighters. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself. Today I am wearing the most brightly colored thing I think I have ever worn in my entire life. I ordered a tie-dye t-shirt from Amazon and it was much more vibrant than I expected it to be. But in my head somehow it went with today's unboxing because today we're doing a round 2 of the FabFitFun Summer Editors Box. Just a little bit ago, I partnered with FabFitFun to unbox their Summer Editors Box, and they just recently asked me if I would do another one with you guys to show you all that there are some variations in the box. And I figured it would be kind of like how I do with Ipsy. I get 3 different Ipsies and show you guys like the variations between the bags. These boxes also have variations with them, but you can also like get in there and customize it yourself if you want to, or if you want to leave it a surprise, that's up to you as well. But I also figured that this would be a fantastic way to do like a giveaway for you guys. We haven't done a giveaway in a little bit on this channel, so I figure anything that I get in this box that I'm going to unbox today that was a duplicate of the last box I got, I'm just gonna give away to you guys. Oh, Summer and me are not good friends. Alrighty, so I have my box right here, and as I'm getting into it, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about FabFitFun. So this is a seasonal subscription, meaning it will only come 4 times a year. It is $49.99 every single season. Inside your box here, you're gonna get full-size products. Every single thing in the box is full-size, but it's not just like beauty stuff, it's wellness stuff, fitness stuff, fashion stuff, fun stuff. And I think that's how I convinced myself that this shirt went with today's unboxing. I was like, tie-dye is fun. Also, if you're interested in purchasing one of these boxes, you can use the code AR10 to get $10 off your $10 off your first purchase. That is not an affiliate code or anything. I'm not gonna make any money off that. That's just a little coupon code for you guys. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get on in here. I'm excited to see what's inside. I'm excited to see if I have any giveaway items for you guys. I know I'll have a few because a couple of the items in the editor's box are like, what's the word I'm looking for? Are the same throughout all the boxes, but there are variations for like a lot of the stuff inside. So I'll tell you guys like a little bit about the variations when we get inside. So if you've seen my last unboxing of this box, you'll see that I got the same little cards in here. We got the cute little magazine that'll tell us more about the products inside. There is a $50 off Hello Fresh. And here we have the card that'll tell us the variations of what's in the box. So as I pull things out, I'll tell you like what else you could get in the box. It's like unwrapping gifts at Christmas. Alrighty guys, so the very first thing I'm seeing here is actually not a duplicate of the last box. We have a little eye mask here. This is from Free People and Understated. But this is like a little eye mask here. It's actually pretty heavy and thick. I really like on the back here that they have like an adjustable slider. I have a very large noggin and sometimes things just don't fit it. So let me try this on. Oh my gosh, even on like the lowest setting or whatever, it still stretches very tightly on my head. Maybe I should have taken off my glasses first. Anyway, here's the eye mask. I do like the blue and the little stars on it. It looks like inside here there's kind of like a gel pack, so I think that you could put this in the refrigerator and have a nice cooling mask on your face. Alrighty, so this is part of choice number 2. The other things that you could have received are 8 Other Reasons, a Landon Lorette. Oh, a necklace or a Pure Lease Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, which is what I received in the last box. Alright guys, next up here we have something that is going into the giveaway. This is a little train case here. This is from Yumi Kim, and this is actually pretty cute. It expands pretty well. There's like a handle on top and 2 different sections. The top section here has a little brush holder. Let me just go ahead and reach for mine. It's right over here. So this is what it looks like out of the plastic if you guys remember, and this is actually a pretty pricey item. I do believe they said this was $58. And this is something that stays the same in all of the boxes. There is no other choice. Alrighty, next up in here is another giveaway item. This is a Spongele, which is a body wash infused buffer. This thing smells amazing. It smells so good. It just kind of hung out in my room for a couple days in its plastic, and it was like an air freshener. And that did not come with a variation either. That stays the same throughout all the boxes. Okie dokie. Next up in here is a Dr. brand item, and this is also going to be another giveaway item. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and I did receive this in my last box as well. The other choice was an Ish lip statement palette, so there is a lip palette or there is the primer. The primer is a $38 value, so this will be added to the giveaway stack. Oh, and I forgot to say that the Spongele is a $16 value. Okie dokie, next thing in here I did not receive in my last box. This is from Wish. It has that first H after the W and it always makes me think of Cool Whip. This is a rice milk and rose clean cream cleanser. It's supposed to gently cleanse, smooth, and moisturize. And this option here was part of choice 4. You could have gotten a Makeup Drops Winter Glitz silicone makeup applicator or the Maji Sports Trigger Point Ball, which is what I received in my last box. Now I see that this is a probably rose scented thing, and I'm not a huge fan of rose. I don't know why, I just really don't like the smell of rose, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add this into the giveaway pile over here. That is a $24 value. Alright you guys, moving right along. Next up here we have something that I have received yet again in my last box. So this is a special size limited edition Ava hand cream. This is supposed to have Dead Sea water in it, and this isn't exactly my favorite scent either, but I'll tell you, it did absorb into my skin really nicely and make my skin feel super lovely and smooth. This is something that stays the same throughout all the boxes, and it is a $33 value, and it's going to be added to the giveaway pile. Alrighty, here, second to last, we have something from Tula Probiotic Skincare. This is a dual phase skin reviving treatment pads for baby smooth skin. Oh, okay, so there are like little packages inside of this package. Alright, the directions on here, I thought these were going to be just like regular face pads, but it says slip index and middle finger into pad opening, glide white smooth side over face to disperse activating serum and white plant fibers. And there's just to flip the pad over to the light blue texture side and massage into skin to exfoliate. So this is actually like an entire little process here, and it says you're just to use this 1 to 2 times per week. So this is like potentially a 5-week little thing here. I would like to give these a try because they sound very different than what I'm used to. So this seems pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see how much these are. Okay, so for all 5 of these here, they are $26, and then this is part of choice number 5. So instead of this, you could have selected the Carez shower gel in Japanese rose. That was a thing I received in my box last month that was rose scented. Very sorry I'm fanning myself. I'm just honestly afraid I'm gonna disappear into a puddle. Alright guys, I saved what I thought was the best thing for last here. It is another Foreo Luna. This little baby here is supposed to clean your face. It has like smart technology that like knows your skin and stuff. And it's also, let's see, worth $89. The stuff in here is very, very pricey for a $49 box, which is good because you're getting a lot of value. But since I already have one of these, I received it in my last box, this is going to be a part of the giveaway as well. And according to the little card here, there is a choice between this and a Turkish towel, which is supposed to be worth $78. That's a lot of money for a towel. But I do think the little Foreo Luna here is pretty cool. I have heard some things that you might want to change out the batteries before you use this, but just make sure you read all the instructions and that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys will like this. Let's go ahead and see everything that's going to be in the giveaway. Alrighty, so I'm going to select one winner and they will receive the Foreo Luna, the Ava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, this Wish cream cleanser, this Dr. Brandt luminizer primer, a Spongele, I know I'm saying that incorrectly, there's just an accent over that E and I don't know what to do with it, body wash infused buffer, and then finally the little train case here. If the winner doesn't care, I might go ahead and unleash this from its plastic and kind of like stick all the stuff in there to ship it if they don't mind. Alrighty guys, so for the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, go ahead and leave a like on this video, and then comment down below something. I'm generally pretty lax with what you can comment. Just let me know that you actually want to be entered. Let me know what like the most fun thing is you've done this summer, or something like what's one food that you think you could eat 5 pounds of. I don't know, just something, anything down below, as long as you let me know that you would like to be entered to win, and also leave some way for me to contact you, like an Instagram or a Twitter, some way I can like get in touch with you, that would be absolutely fantastic. And then just for like general rules, make sure you're at least 18 years of age or older, or have parent or guardian permission. And I will pick the winner at the end of this month, and I'll let you guys know. The winner will have 1 week to get back to me, and then I'll have to select another winner, so make sure you're check in your stuff. And yeah, that is everything I have for the FabFitFun unboxing. You guys can still get the summer editor's box right now. It is guaranteed to have at least like $200 to $250 worth of product in your $49 box. And if you don't want to spend $49, you prefer to spend $39, you can use that code AR10. But again, that's not an affiliate code or anything, so don't worry about that. So alrighty guys, that is everything I have for you. Good luck in the giveaway. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!